Night Searcher introduces the new waterproof SportStar portable use anywhere LED floodlights, ideal for remote training locations without power. The British engineered design is durable in all weather conditions and requires no planning permission. It's lightweight at 9.5 kilos and easy to carry with a shoulder strap or carry handles. All the kit fits into one bag, making it easy to store and transport in the waterproof bag with a big strong zip. It takes one person a minute to set up in a safe and silent operation. No noisy generators or cables to trip over. Made from aluminium, the tripod extends 0.96 to 3.6 metres. Designed with safety in mind, a 4-section air-cushioned safety tripod and high-visibility tripod legs so they can be seen and not tripped over in the dark, adding to their stability and robustness. The light head features a 360-degree swivel, IP65 rated instant 20,000 lumens of illumination, with a 50-metre beam and unique optics specially designed to give the perfect floodlight beam with low light spills. There are 3 light modes that can be adjusted at ground level, with 2 to 8 hours runtime depending on the light mode used. They are made from impact-resistant polycarbonate lens and bezel. Ground pegs are provided in the kit for added stability on soft ground, and on hard surfaces or windy weather conditions, sandbags can be added. The battery packs are IP65 rated within a durable polyethylene battery case that hooks on to the tripod bracket. Additional lithium polymer battery packs are available for longer sessions, ideal for multiple training sessions. Also available is a fence bracket adapter, where the light head and pole can be permanently fixed to any fence. There are a number of different equipment grants and funding available, giving you up to 80% discount. Contact our friendly sales team to discuss your lighting requirements. The Night Searcher SportStar, available now.